Well, this is Brian, Brett. We're just about to finish summiting Sherman Peak. We're just about there right now. The lookout tower, or radio communication towers, I should say. Yeah, the last stretch is fairly steep. Did a little bit of a workout. Just today, I think the elevation got to me a little bit. Now it's time to look for the actual high point. Take a short rest, get a snack. Find a survey marker, maybe a summit register. Sign our names. But this is it. Sherman Peak. 9,909 feet. And for a relatively mild weather Saturday, the only one's up here. I ain't complaining. He ain't complaining. We ain't complaining. So let's go ahead and find the high point, the highest point of the mountain peak. And this will be my third highest peak ever summited. Kind of putz around through the chinquapin pin and wax current. And there it is. The very summit of Sherman Peak. Now, here it is. The summit of Sherman Peak. Now see the survey marker, that round disc on top of that rock. Now, we're just about at the very summit. Quick little rock scramble. Here it is. High point of Sherman Peak. 9,909 feet. My first ever Sierra Nevada peak I've ever hiked in my life. So it's kind of neat to be in a different mountain range, summit a different peak. Never summited anything here in the Sierras before. This is it. Top of Sherman Peak. Communication towers. Survey marker. Little that rock there. And nice little breeze. Not super strong. But there's a little bit of a breeze up here and it feels nice. There's the western divide of Sierra Nevada. I'm not too familiar with the peaks here, so bear with me. But I'm going to try to find SIerra Peak. SIerra Peak should be in a direction over this way, because this is looking generally southeast. I can find it, but this communication equipment's kind of in the way. So, let's see. SIerra Peak, see where this little solar panel thing is? SIerra Peak should be that one with the rocky outcropping there. That should be the ridge line for SIerra Peak. Let's see if I see anything else familiar. I think that's SIerra Peak. That could be just part of SIerra Ridge, actually. There's something way out in the distance. It looks like it's a little bit higher. So, actually, I believe SIerra Peak is actually outcroppings here. Beautiful area and beautiful hike. Again, highly recommended. Just be prepared. If you're not used to elevation, it'll seem a little tougher than it really would be. I'm proud to summit another beautiful area. think only Sierra Peak, only Sierra Peak, I believe, is higher here, I believe, at 9,973. I'm going to take a short break, get a snack, take a few photos, and then start heading back down and continue on with our other plans for the day. I'm not going to be recording anymore for this hike, so I'm going to just try to find the summit register, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching us point out the flora up here. One parting shot, all of this shrub with the it looks like it's going to seed right now. But this is it right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is Holodiscus discolor variety microphyllus, the rose family. Yeah, they're not quite ready yet. But hope you guys enjoyed watching us on our journey to the Sierra Nevada. Spicy! So, I'm going to sign out. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to record the next video for you guys.